Vietnam. A land where the whispers of the past linger in the air. Where lush fields reach up to touch the sky. And where time breaks its boundaries to create new stories. While the world sleeps, Vietnam awakens. With the first rays of sunlight, the streets come alive, coffee fills the air in tea houses. Markets buzz with energy, and the roads pulse to an unseen rhythm. This is not just a country, but a living story, where contradictions transform into beautiful realities. Let's dive into the magic of Vietnam. Fun facts about Vietnam. At dawn, you will see elderly people gracefully practicing Tai Chi in city parks, like a poem in motion. At the same time, the night markets begin to fade, replaced by open-air cafes, where the scent of freshly brewed coffee begins to rise. Speaking of coffee, did you know Vietnam is the world's second-largest coffee producer? Just after Brazil, its thin, filter brews a unique blend where old memories and new flavors meet in every drop. From above, Vietnam looks like a living canvas. Lush green rice fields stretch across mountains in the north. While in the south, the Mekong Delta blends land and water in a graceful embrace. Even the weather tells two stories, 4 seasons in the north, only 2 in the south, and this contrast shapes even the homes, elevated wooden houses in the south, solid stone structures in the north. The Vietnamese language is like music. One word, spoken in 6 different tones, can carry 6 completely different meanings. Ma can mean mother or ghost, it all depends on the pitch. Every sentence is like a song, where melody guides meaning. Vietnam is home to 54 distinct ethnic groups, each with its own language, culture, and traditions. From the misty mountain villages to the sunlit coastal towns, every place feels like its own unique world. Markets are the heartbeat of Vietnamese cities. From Hanoi's historic Dong Xien Market to the early morning fish markets of Hoi An, and the colorful bazaars in Sapa, each one tells the story of the city it belongs to. Inside every Vietnamese home is a sacred altar. Incense drifts toward the ancestors' photographs. Bowls of fruit and warm rice offered with quiet reverence. Here, 3 generations kneel together, keeping the past and present forever connected. And the food? It's the soul of this land. Each dish is a balance of 5 flavors: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and spicy, like an artist crafting a masterpiece. Whether it's steaming hot pho, crispy banh mi, or refreshing goi quan, every bite tells a story. This is Vietnam. It's not just a place to visit, it's a journey through time, culture, and emotions. Now, let's explore some of its most beautiful and famous places. Best places to visit in Vietnam. Number 1, Halong Bay. Halong Bay is a breathtaking wonder, where over 1,600 limestone islands rise majestically from the emerald waters, formed over 500 million years ago. These towering formations create a landscape that feels almost otherworldly. Hidden within them are ancient caves, their walls whispering secrets of time, while stalactites hang like frozen waterfalls, marking the ages that have passed. Scattered across the bay, traditional fishing villages float on the gentle waves, their wooden boats swaying with the rhythm of the sea. At sunrise and sunset, the water shimmers like liquid gold, mirroring the sky in a dance of light and shadow. Just beyond, Halong Bay offers a quieter retreat, its crystal-clear waters cradle vibrant coral reefs. While rare golden langurs move gracefully through the trees, here, nature reigns undisturbed, offering a sanctuary for those seeking solitude and beauty beyond the ordinary. Number 2, Da Nang. Da Nang is a place where nature and modern life blend beautifully. At night, its bridges light up like magic. The Dragon Bridge breathes fire on weekends. While the Han Bridge glows with colorful lights that shimmer on the river, creating a mesmerizing scene. The Marble Mountains rise from the land with their 5 majestic peaks, hiding ancient temples and natural caves within. Buddhist monks pray here. While sunlight filters through cracks in the rocks, filling the air with a peaceful glow. During the war, these caves served as secret shelters and hospitals. On the other side, the Sun Tra Peninsula is home to dense forests and the rare red-shanked duk langurs, swinging freely between the trees as waves crash against the rugged cliffs below. Not far away, Mai Chau Beach stretches for 30 kilometers. Today, it attracts surfers from around the world. But in 1965, it witnessed the arrival of the first U.S. Marines. The golden sand, rolling waves, and cool sea breeze make every moment here unforgettable. Number 3, Da Lat, located at 1,500 meters above sea level. Da Lat rises from the mist like a hidden secret. Its French colonial-style buildings, with their soft-colored walls and sloping roofs, tell stories of a royal past. The Crazy House, with its unique and unconventional shapes, adds to the city's charm, as if it challenges every architectural rule. Hidden waterfalls tumble through deep valleys, where centuries-old cedar forests create a special microclimate, enhancing Da Lat's natural beauty. Arabica coffee plantations climb the slopes, offering the world some of the finest coffee. Ancient Buddhist pagodas, with their winding roofs and golden decorations, preserve spiritual traditions, while the scent of incense and the soft chanting of monks fill the city with a peaceful atmosphere. As evening falls, The Lat's night market comes alive in the city's main streets, where Vietnamese street food and local crafts draw both locals and tourists, all eager to experience the true spirit of Vietnam. Number 4. Mekong Delta. Here, the mighty Mekong River completes its 4,500-kilometer journey, splitting into 9 branches, locally known as the 9 Dragons. It's a magical world where land and water merge, creating a unique ecosystem that sustains 17 million lives. Cai Rang's floating markets come to life even before sunrise. Hundreds of boats dance on the water, trading fresh fruits, vegetables, and stories. Each boat has a tall bamboo pole displaying the goods it sells, maybe a pineapple, cabbage, or pumpkin. This isn't just a marketplace, it's a living tradition that has flowed through generations. Meanwhile, the mangrove forests create a mysterious, submerged world, where roots rise from the mud and life thrives in the embrace of land and water. Number 5. Cai Be Floating Market, located in the heart of the Mekong Delta. Cai Be Floating Market has evolved over time but has never lost its charm. Here, the river is more than just water, it carries trade, culture, and life itself. As the first light of morning touches the waves, the market transforms into a vibrant, floating world, where boats filled with fresh fruits and vegetables sparkle under the sun. As the sun rises over the water, hundreds of boats come to life. Vendors display fresh mangoes, coconuts, dragon fruit, and other fragrant produce. Each boat has a tall bamboo pole, hanging with whatever it sells, a juicy watermelon, a basket of lemons, or fresh cassava. This market is not just about buying and selling, it's a tradition passed down through generations. Tourists and locals float side by side, watching life unfold on the shimmering water. Cai Be Floating Market is more than just a place to trade, it's a living story, written anew every morning. Number 6. Hanoi, in the heart of northern Vietnam. Hanoi is a city where history whispers through every street, every brick, every turn, and every alley holds a story. The 36 streets of the old quarter still reflect their ancient craftsmanship, where the scent of carved wood, the shine of hammered metal, and the delicate beauty of handmade jewelry keep old traditions alive. In these narrow alleys, a surprising sight unfolds twice a day, a train thunders past. just inches from homes and shops. As soon as the bell rings, people quickly move their chairs and belongings aside. Within moments, life returns to normal, as if nothing ever happened. At the heart of the city lies Hon Kim Lake, a place straight out of legend, with the Turtle Tower standing still in its waters. At the Temple of Literature, students still touch the stone turtles. Hoping for success in their exams, just as generations before them have done. Street vendors prepare steaming bowls of pho, filling the air with rich aromas. People sit on small blue stools, eating, chatting, and enjoying the simple joys of life. As night falls, thousands of motorbikes flood the streets, their headlights turning the city into a river of lights. People head home, but Hanoi never sleeps. Here, the past and present blend seamlessly, creating a city that is always alive with stories, old and new. Number 7. Hoi An. In this ancient Vietnamese port town, every street and corner is lit up with lanterns. They are not just decorations, but an old tradition, handcrafted by day and shining like dreams at night. During the day, artisans turn bamboo and silk into colorful lanterns, hanging them outside shops. But as the sun sets, Hoi An changes. The lanterns light up one by one, red, yellow, blue, green, reflecting in the Thursday Bon River and giving the Japanese bridge a magical glow. The night market comes alive under this sea of lights. Vendors set up their stalls, the air fills with the smell of street food, and tourists in boats release floating lanterns into the river, keeping a tradition alive for generations. Hoi An is not just a city, it's a festival of lights, reborn every night. Number 8, Nha Trang, located on the southern coast of Vietnam. Nha Trang is a paradise where the blue sea waves sparkle, and the soft breeze flows over the white sandy beaches. This place is full of natural beauty and peaceful vibes, where the land and sea come together at sunset. As you walk along the beach, you'll see footprints in the soft sand, while the gentle waves crash softly on the shore, creating a soothing sound. The sea here is clear and transparent, with sunlight reflecting off the water like a hidden treasure. Hotels and restaurants are near the beach, where you can enjoy fresh seafood and relax while watching the beautiful view. You can also take a boat ride to explore nearby islands, offering stunning natural scenery and magical views of plants and landscapes. Nha Trang is not just a beach, it's a dream where every day is a new beginning, and every moment becomes a cherished memory. Number 9. Dao Islands. The Dao Islands, located 185 kilometers off the mainland, rise out of the South China Sea with 16 islands. This place has two faces, one side shows natural beauty, while the other holds the remnants of a dark history. Once home to the most feared prison in Indochina, Dao held over 20,000 prisoners, mostly freedom fighters, in brutal conditions. The tiger cages still stand as a reminder of the suffering and resistance, with graffiti left behind by the prisoners. "85% of the island is covered in tropical rainforests, and sea turtles lay their eggs on the beaches where prisoners once dreamed of freedom." Dugongs graze in the sea, and long-tailed macaques leap between tree branches, bringing the island's wildlife to life. Dao is a unique mix of history and nature, where every corner tells a story. Number 10. Moc Chau. In northern Vietnam, the rice terraces of Moc Chau climb the mountains as if they are reaching for the sky. When the sun shines, these fields glow, creating a dreamy scene among the clouds. The Hmong people have spent centuries shaping these mountain slopes into breathtaking landscapes. In May, when the fields are filled with water, they reflect the sky like thousands of mirrors. By June, a lush green spreads across the land, bringing it to life. And in September, the terraces turn golden, filling the air with the sweet scent of ripe rice. These incredible terraces stretch across 2,200 hectares. The farmers here understand the language of nature and use traditional methods to care for the land. Life moves with the rhythm of the rain, and under the shifting clouds, these stair-like fields tell a story of hard work and harmony. Moc Chau is not just a place, it is a beautiful connection between humans and nature. Number 11. Chao Bang. Chao Bang is a place where water and mountains create a breathtaking scene. Ban Jiak waterfall crashes down from 30 meters, its roar echoing through the valley. While sunlight forms a rainbow in the mist, below, The Quai Sun River flows along the Vietnam-China border, passing through lush rice fields and green valleys. In small villages, time seems to stand still. Women weave traditional fabrics on ancient looms, while men plant rice according to the lunar calendar. Chao Bang is not just a place, it's a world where nature's beauty and old traditions still live in harmony. Number 12, Ho Chi Minh City. It is also called Saigon. Ho Chi Minh City's tall buildings reach for the sky, and the Reunification Palace reminds us of the past. In 1975, tanks broke through its gates, but now, they welcome visitors. Close by, Ben Ton Market, opened since 1914, has over 3,000 stalls that showcase Vietnamese culture. With 8 million people and 7 million scooters, Ho Chi Minh City moves between old French streets and modern buildings. But beneath the city, there's another world, the Siu Chi tunnels. These tunnels stretch 250 kilometers and are just 80 centimeters high. They tell the story of war, not just as shelters, but with hospitals, kitchens, and even a small theater, offering hope during dark times. Ho Chi Minh City is a place where the past and present live together, with every street and building telling its own story. Number 13, Phu Quoc Island. Phu Quoc Island rises like a hidden paradise in the Gulf of Thailand. Just off the coast of Cambodia, more than half of the island is covered by a vast national park, where ancient forests hide 1,164 plant species and flowing streams that tumble over rocks. The peaceful sound of water trickling through the dense trees creates a magical atmosphere, making it feel like a secret world of nature. A breathtaking cable car stretches almost 8 kilometers over the sea, connecting the main island to 3 smaller islands, suspended 100 meters above the water. The glass cabins offer stunning views of emerald green mountains, the deep blue ocean, and tiny boats floating below, almost like time has stopped. At the heart of Phu Quoc lies Duong Dong, the island's lively center, perched on a rocky cliff. The Din Ka Temple has been a spiritual refuge for fishermen for centuries, dedicated to the sea goddess. While the city is quickly developing with luxury resorts and shopping centers, its traditional night market remains as vibrant as ever. The fresh seafood, the sweet scent of berries, and the rich aroma of local dishes mix with the sea breeze, creating an unforgettable experience found nowhere else in the world. Number 14, Moc Chau. In the mountains of northern Vietnam, the rice terraces of Moc Chau rise upwards like steps reaching for the sky. The Hmong people, who have lived here for centuries, have turned these slopes into living works of art that change color with the seasons. In May, the fields reflect the sky as if they were thousands of mirrors. June brings a vibrant green as the young plants grow. By September, the ripening rice turns the terraces a golden hue, transforming the valley into a glowing dream. The clouds play around the mountains, casting shadows that add to the beauty of the scene. Farmers here still use ancient techniques passed down through generations. Life follows the rhythm of the rain, and the Hmong people look to the sky to predict the weather, as if in silent harmony with nature. Number 15, Mai Chau Valley. In the mountains of northern Vietnam, Mai Chau Valley is like a hidden paradise. The white Thai people have lived here for over 700 years, peacefully coexisting with nature. Bamboo and wooden houses stand between rice fields. The lower part of the houses is used for mud pits and chickens, while the upper part is raised to protect from heavy rains. The women of Mai Chau weave beautiful clothes using traditional looms, turning cotton and silk into patterns that tell stories of the mountains. The old irrigation system still helps water the rice fields. When the sun sets and mist comes down from the mountains, the village lights shine like stars, making the scene feel magical. It's a place where time seems to stop, and every moment feels like a dream. Number 16, Sun Tra Island. North of Da Nang, Sun Tra Island rises from the sea like the last frontier of Vietnam's jungles. The island is home to 30 square kilometers of protected forest, where time seems to follow the rhythm of nature. Red langurs, found only here, move between tree branches, their movements telling a quiet story of life deep within the jungle. Only 60 of these langurs remain, and each morning could be their last. At the highest point of the island, a statue of Lady Buddha stands tall, reaching 67 meters in height, symbolizing both spiritual significance and the protection of the island. Nearby, an 800-year-old banyan tree spreads its roots deep into the earth, with its branches offering shelter to monks, soldiers, and travelers through the generations. Sun Tra Island is a place where nature is at its most majestic, and every corner holds a new secret waiting to be discovered. Number 17, Trang An, nestled deep in the heart of Ninh Binh. Trang An is more than just a beautiful place, it is a living story, where nature and history breathe side by side. Here, emerald rivers gently flow between towering limestone peaks, and ancient temples rest quietly in the arms of the mountains. Recognized by UNESCO as a World Natural and Cultural Heritage Site. Trang An is a rare jewel, where the Earth's beauty and human history meet. The caves here echo with stories from thousands of years ago, while the soft ripples in the water carry whispers of time. As you glide in a wooden boat through dark, mysterious tunnels, you pass beneath stone arches carved by centuries of wind and water. The air is calm, the scenery untouched, and every view looks like a painting born from dreams. Temples appear along the riverbanks, built by hands long gone, yet standing strong in silence. Each corner holds a secret, each moment feels sacred, and every breath taken here feels like a gift. Trang An is not just a destination, it is a sacred journey, where nature guards history, and time moves gently like the river. Number 18, Phong Nha Koh Bang. In central Vietnam, Phong Nha hides one of the world's largest cave systems. Its 126-kilometer tunnels have rivers flowing in total darkness. Sun Dong Cave is so huge that a New York skyscraper could fit inside. Sunlight enters through ceiling openings, allowing jungles to grow inside. These underground rivers shape massive caves, resembling ancient cathedrals. Scientists continue to explore hidden paths, uncovering new secrets with each expedition. Phong Nha Koh Bang is a breathtaking wonder, where nature's beauty and mystery come together in an untouched underground world. Number 19, My Sun Sanctuary. Deep in the dense forests of Vietnam, the 17 ancient temples of My Sun stand as silent witnesses to history. These ruins are the last remains of the Kampa kingdom, where, 1,000 years ago, stones were carefully placed together to create incredible structures without any binding material. These red brick temples still stand today, built using a mysterious construction technique that remains unsolved. The towering spires rise towards the sky, their surfaces carved with stories of ancient gods, goddesses, and kings. In the morning light, the ruins glow with a golden hue, as if time itself has paused here. Archaeologists are still trying to decode the inscriptions on the bricks, hoping to uncover the lost secrets of Kampa. Number 20, Mang Thit Village. In the heart of the Mekong Delta, there's a village where people have been making red bricks from clay for generations. These bricks are used to build entire cities. The traditional kilns stand tall, like watchtowers, with smoke rising into the sky, symbolizing the village's spirit. For over 200 years, skilled workers have followed the same process. They collect clay from the river, press it into molds, and bake it in the kilns. The village keeps alive through these kilns, which never stop working. Every month, the village makes over 1 million bricks, and even though the amount is huge, the craftsmanship stays the same. Each brick is checked by hand, keeping the tradition alive. Here, the past and present come together, and the work never stops. Number 21, the beauty of Sapa's rice terraces. The view of Sapa's rice terraces is truly touching, where the mountains reach the sky, and the rice fields spread like steps along the slopes. These terraces stretch for hundreds of kilometers and are the result of the hard work of the Hmong and Dao people over generations. Water flows from one level to another in an ancient irrigation system that was created 2,000 years ago. The rice fields change colors with the seasons, and seeing them from the top of Fansipan, the highest peak, is a magical experience. The Hmong villages are scattered high in the mountains, and the women, dressed in colorful clothes, work in the fields. Each family owns a part of this green canvas that covers the mountains and reaches up to the clouds. The ancient techniques here are still alive today, and the place is a living cultural heritage in harmony with the natural beauty. Number 22, Ha Giang. Ha Giang, Vietnam, is a magical place where the mountains meet the sky and natural secrets are hidden. In this northern region of Vietnam, the roads pass through mountain valleys, brushing against the clouds. While the Nha-Ke River flows between the rocks, creating deep valleys. Here, the Hmong and Dao ethnic groups turn the mountains into fields, growing buckwheat, which changes colors with the seasons. The women wear traditional handmade clothes dyed with indigo, and in the villages, mud houses protect against the cold winters. The weekly market, where people walk for hours to trade goods, is an important part of life here. Time still follows the flow of seasons and harvests, and Ha Giang offers a vibrant natural and cultural heritage. Number 23, Vịnh Hải Bay. Vịnh Hải Bay, located in the South China Sea, is a hidden gem with a mesmerizing underwater world. This bay is tucked away in the mountains of the Hoi An National Park, where the sea meets the rocks. Below the surface, vibrant coral reefs create a paradise, with thousands of tropical fish swimming through the currents. Local fishermen use handmade bamboo baskets to continue traditional fishing techniques passed down from their ancestors. The natural rock formations rise from the sea, shaped over thousands of years by waves and winds. Life in Vịnh Hải Bay moves with the rhythm of the tides and seasons, as it has for centuries. This place offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and ancient traditions, drawing every visitor in with its charm. Number 24, Paan Rang. Paan Rang, Vietnam, is a beautiful place located on the land of Campa, where the land meets the sea. Here, sand dunes and vineyards create a stunning landscape, as it is the only place in Vietnam where vineyards thrive under the sun. Fishermen cast their nets early in the morning using ancient techniques. Salt fields stretch along the coastline, where salt farmers work with the tides from dawn till dusk. In the fishing villages, traditional homes with palm basket roofs protect from the sun. The people of Campa keep their traditions alive through dance and songs. Paan Rang is a place where nature, history, and culture come together, offering a unique and magical experience. This concludes our visual journey through Vietnam. We traveled from its most captivating landscapes to the famous landmarks of its cities and provinces. Discovering not just places but also the curiosities that make every corner of this country unique. We hope these images and stories have expanded your knowledge and sparked your desire to personally experience the diverse beauty of this ancient nation. Did we miss any must-visit places in Vietnam? Let us know in the comments. Your feedback helps us create even more exciting travel videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel adventures. See you at our next destination, because the world is full of incredible places waiting to be explored.